What is up, cool cats? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products, either digital or physical products, inside your HighLevel account so you can actually add them to the order form pages that you create and sell them online. Okay, so you might be here at the moment and you probably put together already a sales page. I just created this really quick, special product for sale, only $97. Here's my order form. And as you can see here, I have no products available, right? So how do you add products to sell inside your HighLevel account? Super simple. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your HighLevel account. Then after that, I want you to go to where it says payments, click on that payments, okay? And make sure you're under your sub account, right? So if you see on the top left where it says click here to switch, it probably means you're in the agency view. If not, if you go directly to your sub account, perfect, right? You just want to make sure you see your sub account name up there to the top left. Then you're going to click on payments. After that, you're going to go to the top right where it says products, and you're going to click on where it says products. Okay. Here, this is where you add your physical or digital products to then add to your order forms, right? Which is this kind of, what you're seeing here to then sell online. Okay. So once you're here, right, that is payments on the left-hand side, click on products. Right here, you're going to click on create new product. And here, we're going to have our product input, right? This is what we need to fill out. And the main things you got to do here is you got to put in your, product title or product name. In this case, I'm going to do special product, right? You can add a description here like normally, let's say $2.99 today, special price $97, right? And you can even do stuff like bold. You can, italics, strike through. You can do some bold here. This is basically where your description of the product goes. This is a special product. You can add or create product collections to then later add here. You can also include taxes inside the actual pricing itself. You can say yes, taxes are included with the purchase price. No, they're not included, or use your global settings. Honestly, in this moment, I'm not going to go into the tax brackets and how to do that, but you can click on yes if your product already includes the taxes. If not, leave it as per global settings. From there, you have additional options here, like what's going to stay on the statement descriptor. So basically, when you get charged, right, when they get charged, the customer gets charged, what pops up on their statements, right? Like, let's say you go into your bank account and you see a recent transaction and it's like $27, and then in the bottom it says Starbucks. That is the statement descriptor. There is a basically text limit. So as you can see, it's not that long. So do something super short there that people know, oh, that was the product I bought from Josh, right? Or from your brand or company, right? Whatever that is. From there, in the very bottom, you can add a picture of the product. It's not necessary. It's actually optional. But mainly what you got to do here, the most important part here is just pricing, like actual product name. Then you scroll all the way down and pricing. Okay, this is where you can determine what is going to be charged for that product. So you have two types, either one-time payments or recurring. One-time payments are the easiest in the sense of the process. You say one time, let's say this is going to be $97, and then you can do a compare price. Let's just say $2.99. If it's a physical product, you can also track inventory. If it's not, you don't need to worry about that. Here's price description. Don't really need to worry about that either at the moment. If it is a product that is attached to a course or a membership product inside your HighLevel account, so let's say you have a course inside memberships, you can add this little feature here where if they buy the product, they automatically get access to that membership offer. Okay, but that's really not needed at the moment. The moment is just one time, $97 to compare that price. And then at the very bottom, you do have some things in regards to SEO. So if you have, if you want to put this as like, what's the SEO total for the product, SEO description, and also the handle. You also have variants here. So if you have like a t-shirt, this is very big for t-shirts. So let's say you have $97 t-shirts, but they have multiple variants. You can add variants in here, like for example, a size, right? And then here you can do like small, you can do medium, right? Large, extra large, extra, extra large, right, etc. So you can do variants just like that. You can also delete variants very easily. In this case, I'm going to do a one-time product of $97 and then $2.99. Now, if I wanted to do recurring, I can also do that right in here where I go, let's say it's recurring, let's say it's $97 a month. You can do billing period for monthly. You can also do yearly, weekly, daily, or even custom, right? For example, if you wanted to do quarterly, right, you can do it here, right? Once, basically every, let's say 4 months, right, charge it. But in this case, probably the most common one is monthly. You can also add trial periods in here. So let's say you're doing like a SaaS product where it's like $97 a month, and then there's a 14-day free trial. You can do it like that. You can also limit the amount of payments that you get. So for example, let's say you have a $997 product and you're doing it monthly, but it's only for 10 payments, right? So like that, the total amount is $997. So you can do it just like that too. And you can even do setup fees, right? So you can do things like it's 97 bucks a month, unlimited payments, right? So it's a monthly, month-to-month basis. But for the first month, we're going to charge a $199 fee. So you can do that too here. But in this case, we're going to do one time $97 and we're going to be good to go. And at the very top, let me see here if I'm missing anything that you guys want to know. Not really. Click on save. And the product has been set. Now, if I go back over here, click on back, you're going to see here product type is physical. Doesn't really matter if you actually put it as physical or digital, but you can select that right over here. Bam. Right over here where it says shipping and delivery, you can click on digital and then hit save, right? So you can also do it just like that too, okay? So now if I click on back, you're going to see here that this is my special product, $97. Once you have it added in here, you can then add it to your HighLevel order forms here, right? So I'm going to go over here to sites, click on my actual funnel, which is this one right here. Then click on edit. And as you can see, I have the order form in here in the funnel builder already. And from here, actually, if you can click on back, one second, click on back. Once I'm here in the funnel itself, you're going to click on where it says products. And then this is where you're going to add the product to your funnel, right? So you got to create the product first and then add it here. Once you add it, you can just click on the product you created, click on the price that you do. Sometimes you can have multiple pricing for the actual one product. So let's say you had a course that you can do a month-to-month at $97 or one-time fee, or you can do an annual pricing. So select the pricing that you want for that product. In this case, is one time for $97. I click on save. And now when I go actually view the actual page, you're going to see the product there on that page. So instead of no products, you're going to see that this actually changes to the product itself. And then one other thing that we have to be doing too is that we have to create or actually add our payment method before this actually shows up. So in the next video, I'm also going to be doing a quick little guide on how to add your payment processor, which is super, super simple, but it's needed to actually showcase the product. As you can see over here, if you get that little question mark, it means that you need to add a payment integration or basically your payment processor to your HighLevel account to then actually charge for that product. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video and show you exactly how to do that. In the meantime, if you do have any other questions, add it here in the bottom below in the comments. And of course, if you like videos like this, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of HighLevel tutorials for free inside here on the YouTube channel. All right, guys, talk soon. See you on the next video.